Ava.
And I'm Madison.
And today we're going to show you how to make your very own reindeer food to sprinkle outside on Christmas Eve. So what you will need is some porridge oats.
And some sprinkles.
Very simple. So what you'll do first is get your porridge oats and pour them into your bowl.
Now we're going to add our sprinkles.
Not too many. Now that we've added our colourful sprinkles, we are going to mix. Once we've stirred everything up and it looks really nice, we're going to pour them into our bags. Make sure you do it over the bowl so you don't make too much mess. So this is what it looks like. So now we're ready to sprinkle this out on Christmas Eve night.